Your iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a stunning display, but let's be honest, one scratch, crack, or smudge can ruin that premium look and feel in an instant. That's why a quality screen protector is a must-have. In this video, we're checking out the best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors available on Amazon right now. Let's get started and find the perfect shield for your iPhone's display. Number 1. TORRAS iPhone 17 Pro Max Screen Protector. If you just picked up the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the first thing you're probably thinking is how to protect that stunning display. That's where the TORRAS screen protector comes in. This isn't your average glass film. It's built with military-grade 9H plus aerospace glass, the same material used in spacecraft. That means you're getting unbreakable, scratch-proof protection that has already earned the trust of millions worldwide, with zero reports of screen breakage. When you put this on, you immediately feel the difference. It's been tested over 8,000 times in drop tests, 25,000 times against scratches, and even held up under a 325-pound stress test without a single crack. You don't have to baby your phone anymore. You can climb, ride, or just go about your day without worrying. The edge-to-edge fit is flawless, completely invisible, and perfectly case-friendly. Plus, installation is ridiculously easy. With just one pull, it aligns itself bubble-free and dust-free every single time. If you want peace of mind and the ultimate protection for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, this is the ideal choice. Number 2. IMBZBK iPhone 17 Pro Max Screen Protector. When you're investing in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you want a screen protector that does more than just stop scratches, and the IMBZBK delivers exactly that. From the moment you install it, you'll notice how simple the process is. Thanks to its auto-dusting removal and precise positioning tool, you can get a flawless, bubble-free fit in just seconds, even if you've never applied a screen protector before. What makes this one stand out is its true 25 DG privacy protection. With advanced micro-louver optical technology from Germany, your screen is only visible to you. Whether you're texting on a train or checking emails in a meeting, nobody sitting beside you can peek at your screen. At the same time, you still get crystal clear visuals and smooth touch response, with an ultra-thin design that feels just like the original display. Durability is another win here. Built with aerospace-grade glass and nano-ceramic fusion, it's 10 times stronger than standard protectors and certified to handle drops, scratches, and heavy impact. Number 3. ESR iPhone 17 Pro Max Screen Protector. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max screen, the ESR screen protector is one you'll definitely appreciate. Right out of the box, you get everything you need for a smooth setup, including a cleaning kit and the UltraFit tray. Installation couldn't be easier. Just follow the steps, and within seconds, your protector sits perfectly aligned without bubbles or dust in sight. Even if you've struggled with screen protectors before, this one makes the process stress-free. Once it's on, you'll love how clear and natural the display looks. The advanced nano adhesive keeps it seamless while maintaining the original brightness and sharpness of your iPhone screen. And the real highlight? The Armorite glass protection. With the ability to withstand up to 110 pounds of pressure, this protector gives you peace of mind against drops, scratches, or unexpected bumps. Number 4. Smartdevil iPhone 17 Pro Max Screen Protector. If you've been worried about protecting your iPhone 17 Pro Max screen without losing that gorgeous display quality, the Smartdevil screen protector is exactly what you need. Installation is quick and painless, just a few simple steps, and it fits perfectly with no dust, no bubbles, and no frustration. Even if you've struggled with screen protectors before, this one makes the process effortless. Once applied, you'll notice how flawless your screen looks. The aerospace-grade glass with dual reinforcement gives you 9H hardness, so scratches, drops, and impacts don't stand a chance. It's been tested against 220 pounds of pressure, 8-foot drops, and over 10,000 scratches, all while keeping the screen pristine. That means you can go about your day without constantly worrying about accidental damage. What really makes it shine is how natural it feels. Touch sensitivity is just like using the original iPhone screen, so swiping, scrolling, and gaming remains smooth and responsive. On top of that, the oleophobic coating keeps fingerprints and smudges away, so your display stays crystal clear.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.